Here's what's left of Fiona right here. National Hurricane Center no longer issuing advisories on that. Then you got Tropical Storm Gaston right here, which is looking better on satellite imagery. And then we've got this wave, which is approaching the Leeward Islands. And this is the one that we're going to pay really close attention to here. And we're going to zoom into it, and I'll show you exactly what's going on here with the tropics. That wave, as we head through time, is going to push to the north and to the west. And all models indicate that it is going to push over the Leeward Islands, and then eventually it will stay just to the north of Hispaniola. So now that we're zooming in here, you can see how ragged it looks on satellite imagery right now. But as it pushes to the west, it is going to go over some warm sea surface temperatures. It's going to encounter an atmosphere, which will allow it to begin to form. And I think by the time we get to the end of this week, we'll have our next named storm. Now, the timeline with this, you can see here, by the time we get to tomorrow afternoon, it's probably right on top of the Leeward Islands. And you can see the spaghetti models here are in great agreement. They're tightly packed together. They continue to push it to the north and west. Come Friday, it's just to the north of Hispaniola. And this is a track that will allow it to strengthen a little bit. And then once we get into the weekend, going into the beginning of next week, that's where a little bit of uncertainty remains, because models, as you can see, some take it up the western Atlantic, some take it down into Cuba, the Florida Straits, and into the Gulf of Mexico, but then a couple actually take it right into South Florida. So this is why we got to continue to pay very close attention to it, and we will for the next few days.